Okay, family, so I'm back to my juicer. I'm gonna make some apple and pear juice, and then I got two like regular oranges that we had left over, and then one of the blood oranges, and then half of a pineapple. Because I took the other half of the pineapple and I chopped it up and put it in a bowl with my cantaloupe that I had. I still got my watermelon and my papaya that I'm gonna make some juice with, and I have some grapefruits over there. But for now, I just want to try this apple juice. I'm gonna make this apple juice. These apples making a lot of noise. And I figured the apples wouldn't make a whole lot of juice. They got the thing moving. So that's why I cut up the pears. This is 5 like small red apples, small gala apples. um, and 2 pears, Bartlett pears. I like box pears, but the Bartlett is on sale. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Those apples got this thing working hard. Let the juice out. You see that real apple juice? Yeah, put the rest of the apple in there. I just want to see how much juice the apples and pears will make by themselves before I add the pineapple. If I just didn't put this on tight enough when I put it back together. Okay, that's all 5 apples. That made 4 ounces. Well, hold on, I didn't pour this juice out yet. We'll see. Let that do what it do. And we'll see how many ounces. Okay. I say about 7. It's going up to 8. About 8 ounces. So 5 small apples made 8 ounces of apple juice. I kind of want to taste the apple juice before. I'm gonna get a spoon. You want to taste the apple juice?
Yeah.
It tastes just like the damn apple.
It does?
Oh my god, it tastes so good. Yeah. It's good. It tastes just like the apple, right?
Yeah.
It's sweet too. It tastes way better than that store-bought apple juice.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm gonna get a big ass bag of apples and make some apple juice for us.
Whoa, it's in tons of pieces.
Yeah. I just cut the pears in 4s. Yeah, it grinds it up and takes all the juice out. See it?
Am I using the orange first?
No, I did the apples first because I wanted to see how much juice the apples and pears would make by themselves.
Apple? Now those are pears.
Yeah, those are pears.
Yeah, take me one orange, one by that orange.
Where's the little? Where I put the stick thing in there?
You create orange juice.
I can make orange juice by itself too.
Oh, okay, apple juice. More apple juice.
Okay, so now I'm gonna let that juice out. Pear juice.
Oh, that's a big piece.
It's coming out of there.
That's a big piece. That was the big one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's gonna be enough.
No, it's not gonna be enough. Because I'm gonna mix all of this fruit together. It's like I'm making fruit juice. Or do you want me to just have the apple and pear juice together and then the orange and the pineapple together?
Well, when we're done with the apple juice, then you need to put orange in there so I can taste it, and it tastes good.
That's what I'm gonna mix them all together. It'll be fruit juice.
Yeah, the orange will be
That tastes
red
so
and
good,
yellow.
bro.
It's gonna be red.
I can't go back to store-bought juice, bro.
Huh?
This just tastes
We
so
don't have to go to
good.
the store anymore.
We
Hooray!
have to get the fruit
Oh yeah.
to make the juice, but
Well, we have enough fruit. Yeah. Ooh. Juice, hooray! Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead. You want me to add the oranges to it?
Well, we had another. Okay. Cool. I take one by orange.
You have an orange in your hand, boy. You want the red orange? That is the red orange. You have the red orange that you peeling. This is for the juice.
Yeah, it looks a little orange. So that's
Yes, Elijah. It's not gonna be solid red, like crimson, dark red. It's just darker than a regular orange. You see that orange was kind of yellow looking, and this one is more red. It's like a red orange.
yeah, looking.
See, that's orange, light orange. And you see how much darker this one is? That's why it's called a red orange or blood red orange.
Yeah, we put that. That would be darker. Cool. I got it.
See, that's 16 ounces now.
Yeah, really much quick to learn outside. You can learn too. You can just make fruits for science. If you order lyrics, you can make fruits and drink. It's delicious juice and healthy for your body.
Yes, go ahead and eat your orange so you can floss and you go take your shower and go to sleep.
Yeah, go to bed.
Alright, I think I'm gonna pour that into this empty bottle. So I normally this is where I get my Lakewood juice in, but I'm gonna pour it in here and then I'm gonna finish the rest of the juice. Definitely popping them, but I don't mind it at all. Want all of that goodness. It's all good stuff. I might just fill this bottle up today. Okay. So now let me finish. Our pineapple. Shit. The coup de grace. And it's easy to clean up too, y'all. I'm just preparing tomorrow. That hurricane's supposed to drop. So Hurricane Milton. I'm just getting us some juice together. And I did plan on juicing all my fruit, but I'm like, if the power goes out, ooh snap. If the power goes out, then I would prefer to have some fresh fruit to eat if we have lose the power for a couple days or something. I prefer to have some fresh fruit to eat. Let that do what it do, and then we are gonna pour that in that bottle. So I see why the fresh juice be looking like that, because it's just when you juice it, they still have the little pulp and extra remnants of stuff in the juice. But because I used to be wondering, I'm like, I know they say it's fresh, I know they say it's, you know, cold pressed, but why does it look like stuff is in there? All right, so I think it's good. That's all of the juice. Just a little tiny bits can still dripping out. That's 12 ounces right there. Okay. Close that so it doesn't trip. Pour the rest of this in here. We drank all our juice that I made yesterday. We drank it all today. Eli drank his whole his whole mason jar full. This my mason jars, I think these are 16-ounce mason jars. So we drank all of this today. And I could have, well, I'm glad I didn't. All of that fruit was enough to fill up this bottle. Dang, and I just threw the paper away. How many ounces was that bottle? This is a 32-ounce bottle. So this filled up a 32-ounce bottle, 2 Bartlett pears, 5 small apples, half a pineapple, 1 big blood red orange, and 2 small regular oranges. And they regular oranges, yeah. So that's it, y'all. This is the finished product. This is all the pulp. I can't wait. I'm gonna start a composting thing for all my juice pulp and figure out other ways to use the pulp from my juicing. All right, peace, family. Yeah, this is how I take it off. This is the unlock button. Unlock it, twist it, pull it out, and then you take these pieces apart. Unlock this part. There's still juice in here. Oops. Take that off. Take this out. See the strainer. And you pull that out. And that is it. And I'll just rinse all this out. And they gave me a little brush. Little brush to clean it with. It came with this little brush to clean it with. All right, let me get this cleaned up.